Assalamu alaikum dear students, I am Shahzad Qamar and you are watching Ch.Ghulam Rasul&sons official YouTube channel, and we are going to discuss second lesson from grade 6 English, and this lesson is about a poem written by Bonnie Hardy. Bonnie Hardy tells us about the creation of imagery and then feeling the imagery that you have created. She gives us a panoramic scene of nature, and she tells us that sky, mountains, streams, rivers, everything spread around us is an element of nature, is an object of nature, and we should praise them, we should feel them, we should understand them, and ultimately we should enjoy the beauty of nature spread around us. मीन्स बोनी हार्डी हमें इस पोएम में ये बताना चाहती हैं कि हमें कुदरत की जो मनाज़र हैं हमारे इर्द गिर्द फैले हुए, जो खूबसूरती फैली हुई है, हमें उसको फील करना चाहिए, हमें उसको एंजॉय करना चाहिए और हमें उससे लुत्फ़ लेना चाहिए. And this poem is also about love for nature. So first of all, we will recite the poem together, and I'll be explaining the word meanings and some important things that I should explain to you. Okay, so read with me. Close your eyes and you can see the way the words supposed to be. Sunrise on a clear blue sky, fields of daisies, soft butterflies. Poetess talks about the sunrise, the sky, and the beautiful flowers of daisy, and then she talks about beautiful butterflies flying in the air. So it's a beautiful scene that she talks about in first stanza. Yes, the second stanza is before us. Tall trees, leaves glistening with dew, streams and rivers going through. So means poetess wants to give us an idea that trees, leaves, everything is glistening with dew. It means that is shining. It gets shine, and streams and rivers are flowing. So it means that the beauty of nature is everywhere, and whenever we watch the beauty, we should praise it, we should love it. Then birds singing and flying high, the gentle breeze with clouds, skies. So means that it's morning time, what I guess that is being sketched by the poetess. So she says that birds are singing, they are flying high in the air, and gentle breeze. Breeze means ठंडी हवा. सुबह की हवा जो होती है, that is called breeze. ठंडी हवा, the gentle breeze, नरम हवा, soft, cool breeze. So that is around us. And cloudless skies means नीला खूबसूरत साफ आसमान, without clouds, without बादलों के बगैर, यानी जो नीला आसमान नज़र आ रहा है. तो वो कहता है कि ये सारी चीज़ें मुझे नज़र आ रही हैं और आपको भी ये इमेजिन करनी चाहिए. यानी पोइटेस कह रही है कि उसे ये सब नज़र आ रही हैं अपने इमेजिनेशन में, अपने तसव्वुर में, तो आपको भी ये सब तसव्वुर करना चाहिए. Now we are moving towards third stanza. In third stanza, she gives us a picture of mountains, the valleys, and she wants to sketch out a picture that gives us a very beautiful scene of mountains and valleys. यानी पहाड़ों और वादियों का इसमें जो है वो जिक्र है, और पोइटस जो है वो ये बताना चाहती है कि ये किस कदर खूबसूरत टाइम होता है वो किस कदर खूबसूरत यानी सीनरी है जो हमें पहाड़ों में नज़र आती है. स्नो कैप्स, तो चलिए हम रीड आउट करते हैं. स्नो कैप्स ऑन द माउंटेन्स टॉप्स, वैलीज of green that never stop, means unending valleys of greenery, right? So mountains हैं और साथ में greenery है, सब्जा है. Oceans, ocean waves and pure white sand, यानी साथ में ocean wave भी है, समंदर भी है. Animals grazing on the land, और फिर आप अगर आप खूबसूरत जानवरों को देखें जो ज़मीन पर चरते फिरते हैं. So actually she tells us about many things of nature and many objects of nature that we can enjoy, that we can feel, that we can understand, and we can enjoy the beauty of these all objects. So here she talks about mountains, rivers, greenery, and waves and sand. So animals grazing on the land. So the landscape that she sketches out is outstanding. Now we are going towards the fourth stanza. The fourth stanza is about not only watching, not only imagining things, but the fourth stanza is about the feeling of the natural objects. She wants to say us that we should feel it, we should enjoy it. So feel the wind in your hair. She says, आप जब मतलब आप गुज़र रहे हैं, आपको हवा लगती है तो आप फील करें कि जैसे ये हवा आपके बालों को छू रही है. So that wind is also very cool, very pleasant way of enjoyment. Smell the flowers, blossoms everywhere. वो कहती है कि जो फूल खिले हुए हैं हर तरफ उन्हें आपको महसूस करना चाहिए, उनकी खुशबू जो है उसे महसूस करना चाहिए. And then see the beauty today is new. So everywhere, whenever you can feel the beauty, you will find it new for you. यानी जब आपको खूबसूरती आप महसूस करना शुरू करते हैं तो वो आपके लिए नई खूबसूरती बन जाती है, वो सब नया हो जाता है आपके लिए और सीन बदल जाता है. And then enjoy nature, और फिर कुदरत को enjoy करें. And enjoy nature, God's gift to you. It means that this nature is natural scenery is a gift for you. मैं इसको एक दफ़ा फिर recite करता हूँ आपके सामने इस stanza को. Feel the wind in your hair, smell the flowers, blossoms everywhere. See the beauty, today is new. Enjoy nature, God's gift to you. Thank you so much for watching, dear students. Now we are moving towards the language and grammar portion of the chapter. I hope you have understood the text